Welcome to UXArmy. In this video, we will show you the test creation experience for unmoderated usability testing. When creating a new test, you have two options. Figma prototype testing. This option allows you to quickly set up a test for your prototype. And the advanced usability testing, you can create tests for prototypes, mobile apps, or websites seamlessly. Testing is supported across a variety of devices, computers, smartphones, and tablets, on both Android and iOS platforms. Most importantly, you gain access to screen and audio recordings from participants, allowing you to dive deeper into their thoughts and feedback, unlocking richer insights with our comprehensive analysis tools. In this video, I will choose the advanced option to show you the full features. Choose the type of test and device. Right now, you're on the test creation board. This is where you create the tasks for the testers. Set up optional features, preview and launch your test. There are 4 parts of the test creation board. On the top are the test level settings and controls. To the left, you will see the list of tasks you've created. The middle screen shows a task we are working on now, and this is where you write the questions, or what we call task instructions, for the testers. To the right are task settings, where you import assets like prototypes, images, websites, or mobile app URLs. Take a moment to see the different types of tasks available. Navigation tasks are available for prototypes, websites, iOS, and Android apps. We also provide a selection of open and close-ended survey questions. Whether a task is active for selection will depend on your earlier selection for the device and main asset for testing. Let's create a task. Click plus and select the task type. For this example, let's select a prototype navigation task to test the usability of a Figma prototype. Write the task instructions and import the prototype. We support a number of popular prototyping tools, and you can always import design prototypes from any other tools using a public URL. Now add success criteria using the path. As we have integration with Figma, InVision, and Marvel, the expected navigation paths can be specified using visual interactions. And you can avoid importing the prototype every time you create a test when using these tools. You can easily drag and drop to change the task order and click on the 3 dots to shuffle, create group task, duplicate, or delete tasks. Above, you have the option to add screeners to your test to filter out participants who don't meet your criteria. Screeners are yes or no, single or multiple select questions that can be customized. 2 to 3 number of questions is a sweet spot. Next, check your test settings. Take a moment to see the options. Once you're done, we recommend you preview your test. Go to Participants to set up your sample size. The test will automatically close once the number of responses you've set to receive is met. With UXArmy, you can choose to test with both self-sourced participants or with the UXArmy panel of testers. You can also choose to collect the demographic information of your testers by turning on this toggle. If you want to increase your sample size, you can upgrade your plan or buy UXArmy user panel credits at any time. Check out our help article to understand how the credits work and choose the right plan for you. Press Go Live. Copy and share the unique test link auto-generated by your system with your own testers. If you're testing with user panelists, no need to even share the link with anyone. Just sit back and wait for the responses to flow in. That's how you can create an unmoderated usability test on UXArmy. Thank you for watching and happy testing.